In 60 seconds, learn a safe way to restore your MacBook Pro Retina anti-glare coating. Gather a microfiber cloth, distilled water, 70% isopropyl alcohol, a spray bottle, and cotton swabs. Power down, unplug, and clean in a dust-free area to prevent damage. Always test on a small corner with a barely damp cloth before cleaning the whole screen. Mix equal parts distilled water and 70% isopropyl alcohol in the spray bottle. Lightly mist the cloth. Do not spray the screen directly to avoid liquid seeping into the display. Gently wipe the screen in straight horizontal strokes from left to right with light pressure. For sticky residue, use a cotton swab dampened with the solution and roll it across the spot instead of rubbing. Fold the cloth to a clean edge and reach the screen corners and bezel with soft strokes. Let the screen air dry for 1 minute and then inspect under a light for streaks or remaining spots. Here is the before and after split screen, showing reduced glare and a more uniform finish. Repeat monthly, avoid harsh cleaners or abrasive materials, and enjoy your clear Retina display.